Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a unboxing of a mystery box today. It is a ThredUP fabric and textile box. You know, originally I didn't really think I would like these fabric and textile boxes, but I've really come to like them. I sold some really good dresses that I have gotten these boxes. And thank you to Carrie T. Carrie T says. Thank you for her for recommending these boxes. She insisted they were good, and I was like, really? A box of textiles? Like, is it just random fabric? No, it's not. A lot of the things that you get in this box are nice brand name dresses. Anything that has kind of like interesting fabric on it, I believe they put in these boxes. I don't know if they focus on a few designer items or not. But they're pretty good. They're pretty good. So if you ever get the chance, they're very inexpensive. I think they're like $24 plus shipping and tax. So they're reasonably priced, and you get this huge box full of items. So I mean, I have gotten one that wasn't very good, but you can make up for it. But usually, if you get a couple, you'll get some good items in there. So. All right, so again, thank you to Carrie T says. She knows a lot about fashion and brand names and designer. I'll put her page in the comments. You should give her a follow. She's funny, she's knowledgeable, and she's fun. So, okay, moving on. Let's do this unboxing. The box is really heavy. I'm gonna try and give you a first look though. Anyway, let's see. Oh, they just did one piece of tape. This is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And it's pretty gosh darn heavy. So let's open this thing up. Let's see. It's one piece of tape, but it's a pretty strong piece of tape. Okay. All right, what do we have? I'm kind of excited to see here. Here is the box. All right. Sometimes I get brands in here, and while I'm doing the unboxing, I don't realize what it is until after. So I will say a lot of the items you get are fine. There's nothing wrong with them. Some of them do have things wrong with them, but a lot of them don't. Okay, here is a shirt. Looks like a men's shirt that is Calibrate brand. Never heard of it. It's kind of like a salmon and blue color. Size 16.5, 32-33. And Calibrate is, let's go like this so you can see it. Well, let's see it. There. Yeah, it's a button-down shirt, just your average men's button-down shirt. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's kind of like I think it's 100% cotton. Let's look and see. Sri Lanka. Doesn't say. Anyway, that is the first item. Oh no, it's 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It's a no iron shirt. Really nice. Okay. Now, I don't really sell men's shirts. I don't really know how they work. I mean, I don't know the sizing really and all that, but all right, moving on. What in the world is this? Let's see. This is a plaid shirt. It's, let's see. It's kind of a pretty pattern. Look at that pattern. It's got a little tiny bit of pink in it, yellow, blue. Oh goodness, it's a Levi's shirt. Ooh, excited about that. Just about anything Levi's will sell. Yeah, it's a size small, and it's a Levi's button-down shirt. Isn't that cute? I don't see anything wrong with it, but before I post this video, I will look at the condition more closely. And by the way, these items will be for sale. I will have these items for sale so if you want them, I will have pricing on the screen. You can email me at mystuffstyle@gmail.com, and and my pricing is going to be a lot less than when I post it on eBay. So, okay, here's an H&M shirt, size medium. Again, interesting fabric. It's a button-down shirt. It's kind of like a rayon, I think. Let's see, what is it? Does not say, but let's go down here and see if it says. Wow, is that tiny? Oh, it's viscose. It's viscose. Okay. So, that is a really pretty. That rose pattern is adorable. So it's a viscose button-down shirt by H&M. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Didn't see any faults on it, but there again, there could be, so I'll take a better look. Okay, this is an interesting thing. I don't know what this is. Let's see. This is, well now that's Mcedar. I don't know that brand, but it's an Messidar. I don't know how you say it. It's a size 5XL, and it's a button-down shirt. It's red, and it's got kind of like these leaves on them. Oh, it's brand new with tags. Wow, nice. Okay, that's cool. That's sellable. Yeah, there we go. And it's like I think it's a polyester. I'll go look and see here. Where is the tag? I don't know where the tag is, if there is one. But seems like polyester or not nylon or something like that. So yeah, cool. Next up, what do we have? Okay, this is a tie-dye. Size 4XL Gildan. It's a really cute pattern. It's a cute tie-dye pattern. It's size 4XL. I don't know if it was bought like this. I don't know if the tie-dye came on it or someone, did it as a craft. It looks like it came like this actually. But it's size 4XL. Looks to be in okay condition. It's clean. So, all right. Next up is, ooh, okay, interesting, is this cheetah skirt. It looks like a midi. It's an A-line skirt with elastic around the waist. And what in the heck size is it? Okay, there's the tag. Wait, I thought I saw a tag, but I don't think I did. Okay, no idea what this is, size-wise or anything, because you can't find a tag. I would say that's about a 2XL, and it's got this cute green tie on it. So, yeah. All right, and I think it's a nylon. All right, moving on. Here is a kind of like that's a pretty blue. Ooh, okay. This looks like a wrap dress or a wrap shirt or something. There's the tag. And it's in another language, so I do not know, but it's a wrap dress. Hopefully I can find some information on it, but look at the sleeves. I love that. That is really cute. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's kind of like a non-branded, but I'll see if I can put it on the mannequin and get a picture of it. So, moving on. Is this? I don't know what this is gonna be. Let's see. Sometimes you just gotta move things around until you figure out what they are. Okay, these are some pants, I believe. Oh no, yes, these are kind of some palazzo pants. Oh, they're Shein, size large. And they've got a drawstring waist. There's the oh no, that's not a drawstring. That's a false drawstring, isn't it? Huh. Well, it feels like it should be a drawstring waist, but it's not. Okay, those are the pants. The bottoms are like this. They're cute. Actually, they're pretty cute. So, yeah, size large. So that's it. Those are cute. Shein. Never bought Shein before. Okay, this is a really, oh my goodness, what is this? Ooh, Talbot 16P. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's like that seersucker material. That's adorable. Look at this. 16P. See, now here is a great find right here. And it's not a teeny tiny size, so someone will probably want it. Oh my gosh. Oh, the matching dress for it. Oops. It is absolutely adorable. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is just crazy. I don't see anything wrong with that. That is so adorable. Oh wow. I haven't shopped at Talbot's a lot, but they seem to have some really nice stuff. So that is a great find. This duo right here makes the whole box. I'm sure I'll be able to sell that. I love it when they give a nice variety of sizes. You don't just have one size in there. So, okie dokie. Moving on to, what is this? Dress Barn size 4. cute, really pretty. The purple is great. And it's a belted, the belt that comes with it, it's a belted dress, size 4, Dress Barn. You know, Dress Barn is not a high-end brand, but sometimes they have really cute items. All right, so that is that. Looks in okay condition. I'll look it over better after this. We don't have too many more left. Okay, Shein size 1XL dress. I don't know Shein sizing to know what 1XL means, but the dress is adorable. It's kind of a, looks like it's about a midi dress. And yeah, the fuzz. Anyway, that's cute. It's black and white. It buttons down the front. It's kind of simple, but nice. All right, here is, here's a bridesmaid's dress. I always think it's funny when you get bridesmaid's dress. What's someone gonna do? I suppose they could go to a wedding with it. I don't know. But anyway, here is the dress. It's kind of like a salmon color. What size is it? Let's see. Size C. I don't know what that means. It's a really pretty dress. It's very, very pretty. Azazi, when I got married, I looked at having the bridesmaids get dresses from there, but then my wedding got canceled for COVID. So we did something else later on. All right. Anyway, that is Azazi. It doesn't even look like it's been worn. It probably was one that got, someone bought it and maybe tried a different dress instead. I don't know. Okay, this feels, ooh, this is nice and soft. This is a button-down shirt. Equipment, Femme. That is a great brand name. All right. Size small, Equipment, Femme. I'm going to show you the brand, the tag here. There we go. And here is the shirt. There's the front. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's really pretty. It's a bright blue. Look at that. Just gorgeous. That's another great find. Super excited about that one. Wow. All right, just a couple left now. Here is a blue velvet something. Oh! Huh. ENT entrancy. I don't know what that means, but wait till you see the design on this thing. Wait till you see. This is a dress. Oh my gosh. It's a long evening dress. Look at that. Oh my gosh. No. That is so cool. I love that. It's so this is like this velvety material, and then you've got kind of like a, I don't know how to explain what that is. It's almost glittery, like pattern on there, but it's really cool. I love it. It's different. It's down to all the way down to the ankles. It's got some spaghetti straps on here. What size is it though? I don't see the size. Let's see. Maybe the size is on the other tag. It's got slits down at the bottom. Oh, it's kind of neat. I don't know where a person would wear it, but if you had somewhere to wear it, it's pretty cool. I'll try and find the size. I think it's a smaller size, but it's very, very pretty, and it's stretchy too. Oh my gosh, it's a cool dress. Neat, never heard of that brand before. Okay, the last item is this kind of tropical, what is it? A wrap skirt. It's a wrap skirt. And what brand? Where's the brand? I don't know. There is no brand. All right, I don't know where the brand is. I don't know what the size is. But hopefully I'll get a picture. But anyway, look at the material. Definitely a tropical vacation type item. So, all right, that is the box. I have to say I'm pretty excited about, I mean, the dragon pattern dress is kind of cool, but the Talbot's dress and jacket are adorable. And the Equipment Femme shirt, those will definitely make me profits. So thank you so much for watching. Would love your comments. Let me know if you want to buy any of these items, and have a wonderful day.